teacher is a great example for me. Even though his English is excellent, he keeps on studying and practicing seriously every day. He takes education as his life and treats every student with great patience, understanding, and love. He takes he is a dedicated, tireless teacher, a great author, a great a great role model, a great a great role model for millions of Vietnamese people. My dream is to follow teacher footsteps and to help all Vietnamese people build up their confidence and live a